Hey you guys, let me show you how I made these very easy loaded pepperoni garlic bread pizzas. And it's Saturday. What are you eating tonight? So anyway, let's get into this. My kids honestly thought that I was going to order some DoorDash or some pizza. Child, that's not what happened. I definitely made an order with Instacart and got some stuff from Walmart. I got these garlic Texas toast pizzas. There's pizza sauce. I think it was like a little less than $2 for the jars. And I got about 3 boxes of those Texas toast. Now they do have the 5 cheese ones, but you can go with what you choose as your preference. I prefer just the garlic ones. And about 3 of these would definitely do for my family. I'm feeding about 6 or 7 people in the house today. So I got about 2 boxes of pepperoni, probably overkill, and the Mini Pepperonis. And I splurged for the Kraft Philadelphia creamy milk. Those were about $3 each. Nonetheless, do you see how much it costs to order pizza for a family of this size these days? Or DoorDash? They taxing, child. Well, let's get into this. So first, you're going to go ahead and you're going to assemble your garlic toast on top of your cookie sheet. Like that, like so. Do any of y'all watch Tabitha Brown when she's cooking? She be like that, like so. It'd be hilarious. I love her. But pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna lay those out. Then you're gonna get your sauce. Not being fancy here, I'm taking it straight out of the jar. And you're gonna put a generous amount of sauce on that. Now my family, we like sauce. We like a saucy pizza. But, do it as you prefer. You can also put whatever toppings you want on this. It's pretty simple and to the point. Also, these are fun to make with kids. Like, I don't know. I know you guys have seen this before. Y'all have definitely seen these mini pizzas, but you're going to see them again. So anyway, you're going to put a generous amount of that sauce on there. Yep, I told you we like a lot of sauce, so you're just going to put some more on there, put as much to your heart is content or as little. It's really up to you. But right now, we're going to start to assemble those pepperonis. We're going to get the pepperoni minis, and you're going to load them up. Load as much or as little as you like, but this is called loaded pepperoni. So I'm going to sprinkle a generous amount all over these garlic breads until I feel like I can't fit any more. Let me know in the comments, have you ever made this before? Have you ever made these little pepperoni pizzas? I don't have little babies no more, but my teenagers and adult kids still love making them. And like I said, they're very simple, very budget friendly. We like a lot of pepperoni too. So let me know in the comments, have you made these before and did you like them? Also, another tip, if you want yours to have a little more crustiness, you can put those in the oven ahead of time. You put the bread in the oven ahead of time and then load your toppings on them. So now we're going to put a generous amount of that mozzarella. Put a lot. No, I'm just kidding. You can put as much as you like. But us, yeah, we like that cheese. Well, not everybody. Y'all know some people are lactose intolerant. So you're probably not going to load up as much as you would like to. Unless you're just walking on the wild side. But I'm going to load these up with as much cheese as I possibly can. And believe it or not, even these 3 boxes that I'm using will definitely stretch because this is 1 box alone. So after this, we'll probably still have 1 box going back into the fridge. Yes. And that's with feeding 6 to 7 people. So now you're going to load some more pepperoni up on the top. These are so greasy. They're very greasy. That's so much fat. But you're going to load as much on there as you possibly want. This is how we're doing ours. Like I said, load them up how you choose. After I finish loading these up with pepperoni, I'm going to pop them in the oven on about 425. And it's going to go from anywhere to probably about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on the type of oven you're using. Whether you're using an air fryer, a toaster oven, or just a regular oven. You see me still trying to sneak some more pepperoni on here. Yeah, I told you. This is what I was trying to do. That's why I call it loaded. We love pepperoni in here. Well, my oldest daughter, she'll do cheese. She'll like just cheese. But right now, we're focused on the pepperoni. All right, so like I said, you're going to pop those in on the oven for about 425. And then I'm going to show you the finishing product. These were absolutely delicious. I ended up putting them on this tray and everybody just went for it. No complication involved. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed these. I know we did. So I will catch you guys in the next video, and that's it. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas or something quick or fun you would like to see me make, because I think that's the road I'm on with this right now. Ooh, these look so good. All right, you guys. See you later.